Today's question, why do most traders fail? Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today's question is, why do most traders fail? And to be honest, I can't answer that. But what I can tell you is why I failed at trading. And I'm sure that a lot of the experiences that I went through are possibly familiar to a lot of you, especially if you've been trading for a while. And if you're watching this video, chances are you're constantly trying to still improve on your trading. And obviously, as I've said in other videos, constant progress. So why did I fail at trading? Well, let's go back and we'll start from the beginning. In the beginning, I learned on end of day charts on futures markets, on the indexes, and I had some excellent instruction. And that basic system that I learned, which was end of day, still to this day, I think is a good introductory way to trade the markets. However, that got me hooked on trading, and what happened was I started consuming as much information as I could and constantly looking for faster, better ways to make money in the markets, and that's what sort of led me to intraday trading, which for the most part in the beginning I had no idea what I was getting into. I just thought it was a faster way to try and make money, and I saw it as a short-term solution to some of the goals that I had. However, fast forward 10 years, and over that 10-year time frame, what I eventually learned was that, believe it or not, I had a very high probability positive expectancy trading system. However, the biggest issues that I was challenged with was having the patience to execute it, and that impatience often led me to trying to trade intraday again. And when I was in the intraday markets, I found myself, upon reviewing all that, going into trader tilt. So what I mean by that, if you haven't seen my other video on tilt, was that I would take a trade that was not part of my trading plan. I would oftentimes not place my stop into the market because I felt that the market would move enough in the other direction that I could trap small profits. And I did have a lot of those as winning trades. However, the ones that went against me, where I would make a mistake afterwards, is that I would try to average into that losing trade, thinking that there was a reversion point at some point where I would be able to get out averaged in at break even, or maybe with a small profit if I got lucky. And however, those trades usually were ones that went heavily against me. And although I may have only had maybe 30% losing trades, they would wipe out my account. And in the beginning, those were very destructive psychologically, and it took me a long time to get over that because I still didn't see the error of my ways. And after blowing up 2 or 3 small accounts, I started to see that one of the short-term solutions for me was to obviously be off the screen, which led me back to my end-of-day trading system, which I've said before is my primary trading system. 80% of my trading results were coming from my end-of-day model, but I would wipe out 50% of my profits, going back and repeating these same bad habits, trying to day trade the London Open. Now, over the last few years, I have been able to harness a fairly successful London Open system. However, I don't like to be on the computer or checking that on an hourly basis. One of my long-term goals has always been just to be off the screen, and I like that. And I realize that for myself, my best results have come end of day, and it's also eliminated the risk of me going into tilt intraday on those trades. Tilt is when a person goes into a heightened emotional state, and they engage in destructive behavior towards their trading account, irrational, illogical, impulsive trades, get even trades, revenge trades. So I'm assuming that most of the same reasons I've failed in the market are similar to other people. However, the one thing that I think I have going for me is that I'm very stubborn. You know, I plan on trading till the day I die. And so therefore, what I've always done is constantly look for how I could, number one, eliminate the possibility of doing damage to myself or change my behavior patterns and my habits and routines. And as I say in the other videos, go get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. I look at it as it's an approach that you need to rebuild your mindset. You know, if somebody offered you $1 million to trade their money, most of you would obviously jump at that opportunity. The conditions would be that you had to A, follow the plan meticulously, B, follow the money management rules, and C, manage those trades completely flawlessly. Now, for you to do that, it probably would take no effort at all. So my question to you then is, why can't you do that with your own trading account? You know, there's 1,000 systems out there, and most of them will make money if the money management strategies are applied properly. So the reason why most traders fail, I'm assuming that they don't follow their plan. And the plan is trade the plan as it's written out. You know, buy when X happens, sell when X happens. You know, risk 1% on your trades, or 0.5% or 2%, whatever your strategies call for. Add another position in when A happens. Add another position in when C happens. Close your position out when D happens. All those things. So you need to, you know, flawlessly go through mapping out your system as simple as possible. Make it so that it's duplicatable week in and week out. If you're trading intraday and you're not successful at that, look at my initial balance examples. Every week the same patterns happen on the end of day system, and I was making more pips in 15 minutes of trades, like by placing my orders, than I was sitting at the screen all day. So I'm going to really encourage you to look at end of day trading. Doesn't matter what market you're in, they all have a personality. The basic premise of how the markets work is still the same. You need to have somebody trapped on one side in order for the market to move to the other. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video. Again, why do most traders fail? They don't follow the plan. They don't work hard. They want it to happen right now. You know, they want to win. They want to be right. They want to make money. Focus on trading as a business. Stick to the system. Stick to the process of trading. You know, my question for you is, how good can you get? And if you're focusing on constant progress and you're constantly improving, the markets will go with you. Thanks, traders. Have a great day. Hi, traders. It's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.